3. Getting around Photoshop. You're going to use Photoshop a lot, so you'll need to be as efficient as possible. To do that, you'll be using hotkeys throughout the program. In your Resources folder, you have an image named Shortcuts. Open that up and keep it around to have a constant reminder of them. You can also hover on top of the tools and see their names and shortcuts. Be sure to hold each tool down for a second or so to see if it has any others underneath. Or you can just use Shift and that tool's hotkey to scroll through. Here's a quick rundown of what you'll be using very often. V for the Move tool. F 2 times for the full screen mode. Control G to group layers into a folder. Control J to duplicate a layer. Hold space to move around the canvas. Control Z to undo and Control Alt Z to go back yet another step. Control 1 to zoom in at 100%. Control A to select all, Control D to deselect. Control T to free transform. To select the layer from the canvas, hold Control and click on it on the canvas. Select multiple layers on the canvas by using Control-Shift-Click. Select a group on the canvas by changing the drop-down to Group instead of Layer. Control plus semicolon to show or hide guides. Control apostrophe to show or hide the grid. I know that seems like a lot, but you'll learn them by working, not by memorizing them. I will explain in detail what each one does, although I think you have a pretty good idea on how they work. A couple of other things to keep in mind are the tabs up top. If you see an asterisk next to a close button, that means the progress is not yet saved. Use Control S to fix that. If you detach any tab up top, go to Window, Arrange, Consolidate all into tabs. This way, it's always nice and organized.